my product, baby. I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the bed at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top, baby. Hey girlies, we are back with another video. Happy motherfucking Monday. Honestly, y'all, my brows probably not gonna match this wig. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with you. So we are here with 𝐤𝐼𝐬𝐬, one of my subbies wanted me to do 𝐤𝐼𝐬𝐬 in the color spicy red. Hopefully fingers crossed is in stock, because every time I go to look before I film, this wig is sold out. What? So this is what she's giving. Oh my god. Wait, she might do she? No, the brows is darker, but I have a red wig in how long? Oh, alright, baby, she eat down. Okay. Oh, this is a juicy breed. This is giving fruit punch. This is the color. The color, it is beautiful. They got this little the thing curled up in the front, so this is what it looks like up close. Like I said, get comes with baby hairs, and this is the inside. All right, we get more space than I'm used to with Outre. It's always more room to part in the center than it is on these sides. So they be, I'm proud of Outre because, honey, y'all know Outre be stingy with their lace. I like the construction of this. Is this a newer wig? I don't like when they do this here. I don't get that when you do like half up hair, half up and half down hairstyles. You can see that. All right. This is, it got a little comb at the nape, it's got drawstring, and it also got elastic band. This is not adjustable. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, she's definitely brighter than I thought once I put her on. I love the length of this though. It's not long. It's doing what it's supposed to do. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to tint this lace. It's a transparent lace, like I can see my hairline through it. But why did y'all have to put that weird whitish tint on it? Like, could y'all just give us clear HD lace? Can y'all figure out how to do that? I'm talking about all synthetic companies, because I don't know not one synthetic company to get that gives us that clear HD lace, because it is plucked pretty good. I ain't even gonna hold y'all, it is plucked really good. But I think I just want to go in just to do a little bit of plucking. But I was like, let me go in and detangle it, get the hair out. I did not do heavy plucking at all. It was just, probably can't even tell I did any type of plucking. Alright y'all, so I went ahead, tinted the lace tinting spray. This is Red by Kisses lace tinting spray. I'll be sure to link it below. I waited for my hot comb to heat up. I do have it on the setting of 10. I had it on 20 until I realized this was not no virgin hair unit. Look how this is laying down. Stop freaking playing with me. I don't use wax anymore on my synthetic units because most synthetic units are already shiny. I did make up a middle part for now. I don't know if I'm keeping it that way. It's crap. Now let me take some scissors and cut off this little lace. Going in with my favorite spray that I'm running out of, that I need to order some more of. I'm just gonna pull this back and just put a layer and a half. Oops, I'm spraying it on the wig. This nozzle is dirty. Oh, I just be doing it up. This weather be crazy though. It'd be like 60s during the day, and it'd be like 40 and 30 at night. Like, please stop going between spring and winter. I'm going in with my blow dryer. I'm gonna dry this down on a cool heating setting. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and move this on down. Stick it where you want it to lay. And take the back of your comb and reinforce that lace down. I still can see the lace. We're gonna have to go in and do some blending. This lace is kind of thick. Normally I do this step. Why is the spray just not trying to be my friend today? It's just spraying all over the dang place. It's just praying on my downfall. And y'all see how that just lays right on down in there? And use the back of that comb to push down at that lace. I always do that. Like, I be completely done
and it's fine, and I always find something weird to do and mess that up. I'm gonna take some of this cream foundation and try to cover that up as best as I can. I don't know, sometimes I just be feeling like at certain angles it be looking ashy. I'm gonna put it up like this. Stuff is just flying all over the place. Put my little band on, and hopefully when we take this off, it's giving what it's supposed to give. It's probably been more than 10 minutes. Ooh, I didn't let that dry. Y'all, I'm not even gonna play with this side. So it's gonna give, we're gonna put that down and hide that. Because why did it do that? This side ain't down, okay? This side lay like it was supposed to, but this other side, I'm just taking my cream foundation and dotting it on this so we can see that this is supposed to be apart. Y'all, I'm tired. I need a nap. I've been up since 5 o'clock this morning. I love the texture of this hair though. It feels good. Colored hair on synthetic unit just be feeling funny. It be feeling more horseier than normal. But this one feels amazing. And I almost kind of feel like human hair vibes. Now I wasn't trying to go in and curl this unit myself. But I don't know if I may have to, because I don't like the way these curls are sitting. For me. Or maybe I just got to play around with it. I need some bumps though, because wet is it. That literally be my dilemma with synthetic wigs, is because they gotta stop being weird with the curling. Like, why are y'all curling the wigs differently? Curl it away from the face. I just don't like how the front is looking. Like, let me come back, fix it, because look, basically what I'm trying to do is take this barrel brush that I got and then comb or just brush it in a way that is away from my face. I just want this front to hit different, and I think I'm gonna have to layer it in order to get it to flow the way I want it. I'm gonna have to put some layers in it, even though it's got a lot of layers in it, but it just be them front pieces that be just doing weird stuff. Alright guys, so I finished up the hair. I tried to get this side as close to this side as possible. And with that being said, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10 instead of a 10 out of 10. Simply because, baby, why can't y'all just curl the wigs going away from the face on both sides? To me, that doesn't make sense to curl one side away and then one side towards. Like, what are we doing? Why are we doing that? I'm going to give this wig an 8 out of 10 because of that. Other than that, everything is perfecto. Now, would I say this is big head friendly? You're going to have to cut out the elastic band that's in there because... It seems like it fits perfectly for me, a smidge, but like I said, I would have more room if that elastic band wasn't up in there, you know? So I did go ahead and curl it with my Hot Tools curling iron. I do make sure all my irons are on the lowest heating setting, and you do have to let the curls sit before you actually play with them, because if not, they're just gonna drop. So I did that just towards this front and some of the bottom, so it can look like it's away from the face when it's really not, because who has time for that? This is why the company needs to do that, so I ain't got to go and do it myself. But I do want to play around with this unit. Like, I do want to come back with another video where I, you know, start from scratch and just like style it on my own. So that's what I think I'm gonna start doing on my channel, like just doing a basic review from, you know, the wig straight out the box, styling it how it comes, and then going in and doing my own little whatever. But I've never had a colorful unit that felt like this in my entire life. Like, it feels real good. It doesn't feel horsey at all. Like, it's some good quality synthetic hair. I don't know how they did it, but Outre did that with the quality of this hair. The color down, okay? I thought it was giving burgundy, but it's not giving burgundy at all. It's definitely giving us Jessica Rabbit red. So other than that, y'all, this is a fire unit. It is fire. I love it. it's TJ approved in my book. Okay, it did do minor shedding. I got a few tangles here and there. Says don't sleep on this unit. Hopefully it's in stock, fingers crossed, because it be just being out of stock. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I will have this linked in the description section below for anybody wanting to purchase it and get it yourself. Thought I wasn't gonna like it because it didn't have black roots, but she eats all the way down. I love her. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also leave a comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. I hope you guys have a good week. This week is Thanksgiving. I think I will be seeing you guys on Wednesday and on Friday, so you better tune in. Okay, tune in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy again, and until my next video, your girl, see you later. Bye guys.